pretty light right now, maybe 10, 12 knots. And it's supposed to stay light for the next few days, so at least we'll start out easy on our trip, hopefully.
Goodbye, Hawaii. We are leaving Kaneohe Bay, Oahu, for Pacific Northwest. Hope we have a safe and pleasant trip. We spent a couple nights here at the sandbar. It was a beautiful place. Say goodbye to our friends. And now it's Monday morning. It's time to depart.
And we can say that the spirit of aloha is definitely alive and well in Hawaii.
So finally, we let go the hold on Hawaii. We left 9 o'clock this morning, but we had a fuel issue right before we reached end of the day. So we had to turn around, fix the problem, and we departed 3 o'clock, 3 p.m. and now it's 6. So we've been sailing for 3 hours, going about 5.5 knots, having about 12 to 15 knots of wind. So we're doing fine now. Goodbye, Hawaii.
It's our second day out after leaving Kaneohe Bay, and the trade winds are blowing about 10 to 15 knots, fluctuating, but very, very nice. Very mellow sailing. Wind gods have favored us with some beautiful sailing. Nice wind.
The trades are east, northeast, and we're heading due north.
And where are we heading?
For Straits of Fuca.
Woohoo! Be nice if the weather lasted like this the whole way there, huh?
They're foretelling in a couple of days we hit a high and the wind's gonna go down to about 5 knots. So I think it's gonna be end of the sailing, but it's too early to say it. Right now we're enjoying ourselves.
Yeah, very nice. There's a bird. There's a bird. We get excited about small things out here.
Here's Susan in our new hatchway, hiding from the spray and the sun.
There is no spray though right now, but there will be. Very nice. Last night we got hit by a squall of about 35 knots. It's the only squall we've had so far, and this morning we woke up and noticed we have a tear in our sail there. So we're going to have to get our sewing machine out and repair that at some point. Otherwise, it's a beautiful day. Nice, sunny, calm, light winds today.
Yeah, we are sailing about 4.5 knots, so really making a nice progress.
Not in the right direction.
Not fast, but nice. Seas are very placid, so Susan can do a lot of cooking without much trouble. It's just very enjoyable.
And we made water today.
Yes, we decided to make water every 4 days, and we found out we used about 3 gallons a day, which for our machine, which makes 40 gallons an hour, we only had to run a few minutes to make it up. There is our new roller furling, which works very, very nice.
That just got a weird whistling noise.
Yeah.
When the winds pick up, it starts whistling, so we're going to have to fix that somehow.
And also we're enjoying our new hatch, especially when it starts raining in the night. So So we are pretty much ready for a Pacific Northwest. And there is a tear once again. It's very isolated because it's between the two panels, so it really can't be tearing any farther. But I still tied our second reef line to release the strain on the leech or the sail.
As we mentioned earlier, we tore up our sail a little bit and we decided we're going to wait until we have a calm day to try to repair it and get our sewing machine out here. So Jules is cutting up some material and we're going to make a little patch. And even though we're rolling around and the wind's kind of starting to fill in right now, we're going to break out the sewing machine and try to do the repair. Right, Julius?
All right.
Maybe after we get it all fixed up, the wind's going to be filling in enough, we can just lift up our sails and continue on our way.
Yep. Here is the way we are working on repairing a sail. I will not be able to film anymore because I got to go help Susan to lead the sail too, okay? Alright, so we're signing off here. We are sailing right now under the staysail alone. We have a slight breeze.
And the wind's picking up.
The wind's picking up, so we're just ready to put the sail up.
We're at latitude 27 north, and we've been followed by this albatross for the last 2 days. He flies ahead of the boat, then he lands in the water, he waits till we go by, and then he takes off again.
So here we have a Susan again, the chef. Are you going to tell us what you're going to make it today?
I'm going to try to keep things all in balance here while the boat's rolling around a little bit. Anyways, I have some leftover bananas that are kind of ripe, so I'm going to make banana bread. Okay, I've got nuts chopped and ready to go in here. I'm going to mix them in. I'm using my Rebel spatula to mix things up. Usually I let Julius lick the beaters, but he's busy right now, so I'll have to do that later. Mix the nuts in. Alright, it's been about 35 or 40 minutes, and I'm going to check my banana bread here, see how it's doing. A little toothpick test. Looks good. Turn off the oven here. Burn myself. And get it out of here. Here it is. I think we're gonna have some really nice little treat for the off watch. Oh, there's the finished product. I took the banana bread out of the pan, flipped it over, and I'm gonna cut Julius a piece as soon as it cools down, and he'll give a report on whether it's edible or not. With a nice cup of coffee, I think it should be good.
Nice relaxing day. Nice trade winds. And slowly working northward. Maybe tomorrow or following day we should run into a high. That means no winds, maybe variables. And then hopefully we'll be able to get some westerlies, some southwesterlies, which you will be able to turn eastward towards the mainland.
It's our 4th night out here after leaving Hawaii, and the sun's just setting. And I just wanted to show you this beautiful sunset. The clouds are awesome looking. And we still have a little wind. So hopefully it'll last all night and we'll be just plugging along up north. Everything's pink.
Except me.
Including you. You got sunburned today. Okay guys, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please don't forget to leave a comment and a thumb up. We love hearing from you. And before we leave, we'd like to thank all of you that support our channel through Patreon and PayPal. We really appreciate your support, guys, and we will see you all next time. Bye-bye.